I'm always on the opinion of, if you see your husband, or if you notice that your husband is cheating on you, or your wife is cheating on you with somebody else, my dear, if you try your best, in fact, leave the person. Because tell me why the lawmaker Nigeria, one of the lawmakers, according to this video, is cheating with somebody's wife. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I don't want to spoil this video for you, but you need to see where another man is confronting a fellow man, okay, that he's cheating on his wife. Take a look at this video.
I told you to stay away from my wife. I told you to stay away from my wife. I told you to stay away from my wife. I told you to stay away from my wife. You are a useless man. You are a useless man. Why are you? You are a useless. You are a useless man.
I'm going to call.
You are a useless man. You are a useless man. You are a useless man. You are not going anywhere. You are a useless man. 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 That's what you are. You are a useless man. You've destroyed my home. You've destroyed my home. You are a useless man. That's what you are.
To anywhere.
You didn't go to anywhere. You didn't go to anywhere. What are you doing with him?
I went to the massage. We didn't go to the hotel. See,
which massage? Which business do you have with the man?
I not go inside room.
Honestly, I really feel bad for this man. But let me tell you something. You've seen the video. No one wants to be in this situation. Whether you are the guy or the woman, nobody wants to be in this situation. Because first of all, this man, the husband might look weak. He might look weak because he is trying to keep his home, but he's not a weak person, because clearly the man wants to keep his home. Secondly, that woman, madam, that is there, you can imagine, you know that your husband is going through pains. You now gidiba inside motor, you just park inside motor, say you deal with somebody that works with Nigerian federal government, because they say that this guy works with the legislature, so he is a lawmaker. He's a lawmaker. So because you feel you get funds, you get money, you are now feeling fly. You now opt out from your relationship. So your husband is now confronting the person where you cheat on him with. You did your pack. Just tell the man, okay, don't enter the car. Enter the car. I'll be waiting. I don't know. Well, men also cry, because why would I be a person that will be begging somebody not to be cheating? See, I said it and I'm saying it again. From the get-go, if you notice that your partner is cheating on you, and you did not do anything to the person, that the person decided to start cheating, okay, leave the person now. Leave him. Opt out. Leave the person. Make you go cheat. Oh, cheat is you for. By the time they go play with them, because from time to time, I forget you that man. You get me for this thing. He say he go call police. He go call police for person where they cheat on his wife, and the wife go police station now. Go the open mouth while they argue, and police go look them finish. You see why you need to be on your best game. No, they follow these people. They talk. If person go embarrass you that much, say you go put video your wife putting you through such embarrassment. Okay, I beg. See, now me go tell you. If your husband they put you want me to tell you what to do. Now me go tell you, the knack finish, they go belleful, because it feels bad watching this thing. Even being on the side watching this thing is embarrassing. Hi God, how can you put yourself in such embarrassment? It's embarrassing to see somebody, to the cheater, the cheatio, and person where they cheat on. All of them is very, very embarrassing to be in such a situation. I am sorry, but as a man, if you notice that your wife is cheating on you, if you notice, nobody say the hearsay. If you see say this woman is cheating on you, okay, leave that marriage. Let her go and cheat. Okay, because from the look of things, this man is weak. He's a weak person. Because if you say you show the woman, say you know send them, he go cuckoo they find you. Because most times when it comes to relationship, if your husband is cheating on you, start showing him that cheating it affects you, he will be cheating more and more. But when you show him, say, I know they see your face, they see your face, that that's when they know say that thing, they touch you. You need to be on your game. However game you dey, they play the game, or be on your game. Make people know they use you play, because if people see say you dey weak, they go use you play. People know what they are doing. People know what they are doing. Palava, they finish. That's what we see on Palava. Me, I dey always tell my people on the comment section, see, if you notice say your relationship, this woman don't they use you play, this man don't they use you play, okay? See, if you notice say they don't they use you play, no they see them again, no they use it, no they look their way again, because on how they look their way, they do more. Be on your be on your game. Now them go know, body go tell them. Body, you see body, you go tell them, you go finish the whole thing. They go use and play. Sooner or later, that game when they play with the guy, the affair, you go cast, you go come back, leave them. That's my own for you. Don't forget to leave your comment on the comment section, because I know some people no go agree. Some people will not agree and start fighting themselves. However you feel, that is my opinion. Let's continue the conversation on the comment section, because every day we dey see Palava. I'm your girl Bella. Palava, they finish you.